Hello friends, welcome to the new video, the CPR width forecasting, that is central pivot range forecasting. Today explain this with both English and Hindi as some viewers ask for in Hindi. Let's start. The central pivot range width, like wide or narrow, you can see since the period days trading activity leads to the creation of today's pivots. It is extremely important to understand how the market behave in the period day in order to forecast what may occur in the upcoming session. More specifically, if the market experienced a wide range or of movement in the period session, the pivot or the following day will likely be wider than normal, which usually leads to a typical day, trading range day or sideways day scenario. Conversely, if the market experiences a very wide trading day or in the period session, the pivot for the following day are likely to be usually tight or narrow, which typically leads to a trend day, double distribution day or extend typical day scenario. It is important to understand the pivot width concept, as this information allows you to prepare properly for specific date types in the upcoming session. If you are able to anticipate the market's likely behavior, you are giving yourself the best chance at success because you are able to deploy specific setups that are tailored for certain type of days. Anytime you have an idea of how the market will behave in the following session, you are giving yourself a significant trading edge. This means ये वाइड रेंज कब होता है सीपीआर? वाइड होता है जब मार्केट का मूव बहुत अप एंड डाउन रहता है. मीन्स वाइड मूवमेंट पीरियड सेशन, द पिवट इज वाइड मीन्स very wide means it is a range bound day, sideways day. If the pivot narrow है तो ये ट्रेंडिंग डे रहेगा, बहुत ऊपर एक साइड मूव करेगा, बहुत ट्रेंडिंग डे रहेगा. We'll discuss about brief in this. The width of the central pivot range is perhaps my favorite method for forecasting potential price behavior for the following session. When describing the width, I am referring to the distance between the top central pivot and the bottom central pivot, that is TC minus BC. Typically, an extremely tight central pivot range indicates the market traded sideways or consolidation in the period of time. इस मतलब जब प्रीवियस डे बहुत टाइट सीपीआर है, मतलब नेहरू सीपीआर है, तो करंट डे शुड बी ए wide CPR and it will be trade with a sideways or consolidation. Okay, as such this price behavior usually leads to breakout or trading behavior in the following session. Conversely, an extremely wide CPR pivot range indicates the market experiences a wide range of movement in the period day, which usually leads to a sideways or trading range behavior in the following session. It is important to note, however, that pivot width analysis works best when the range of the movement is distinctly high or low. thereby creating unusually wide or narrow pivots. That is, it must be clear that the wide width of the pivot is either abnormally wide or narrow, as these are the sessions that lend themselves to a higher probability of forecasting success. If the pivot width is not distinctly wide or narrow, it becomes very difficult to predict potential trading behavior with any degree of certainty for the following session. You may also keep in mind that this analysis is not without fault. Measuring pivot width gives you a significant edge in determining the potential behavior of the upcoming session. But like any form of technical analysis, this method is not sideways correct. Therefore, use it as a guideline. मीन्स पिवट विड्थ से हम पता कर सकते हैं उसका मार्केट ऊपर जाएगा या नीचे जाएगा. इफ पिवट रेंज का दैट इज सीपीआर का विड्थ ज्यादा है, एक्सट्रीमली big means very wide CPR, then it will be a range bound day or sideways days. Pivot width very narrow या narrow है, मतलब बहुत पतली होता है या narrow होता है, तो ये एज ए ट्रेंडिंग डे हो सकता है. There is forecast. This is the possibilities of 60 to 70% that it will be a trending day. Not 100%. It is not work always, but it is work many of the times. It is means 60 to 70% it will be a trending day. Let's take a closer look at the pivot width relationship that led to one of the most explosive day in the market. The narrow pivot range relationship is a explosive day, means it will be a breakout day or it will be a trending day. An unusually narrow pivot range usually indicates the market is primed for a explosive breakout opportunity. Therefore, it becomes highly beneficial to know when this relationship has formed. If you have studied chart patterns, you know that consolidation and trading range leads to breakouts and range expansions. Essentially, a tight pivot range is telling you the period days was consolidating, which usually leads to a breakout on the day with the narrow pivot range, given the tight opening characteristics. Also, most trending day occurs when the central pivot range is considerably tighter than the period days range, especially if the period days pivot range is unusually wide. Means a tight central pivot, जो narrow central pivot मान लो एक डायनामाइट है, it will be breakout any point of time. You have to wait for that. If it is a narrow pivot, मीन्स पतली पिवट है, पतली बहुत नेरो बहुत पतली पिवट रेंज है, सीपीआर है, तो ये एक डायनामाइट हो सकता है, कभी भी ब्रेकआउट दे सकता है. यू हैव टू वेट फॉर दैट. ए टाइट सेंट्रल पिवट रेंज कैन बी डायनामाइट. You want to be aware when a day has the potential to start off with a bang. Okay, if the market, we'll see for this in the chart. Let's first we see the when it will be a narrow, when it will be a wide, how to identify. See here the CPR. The first one is the wide CPR, means it is a sideways days. The second CPR is a little bit narrow, means it will be a trending day or it is a trending day. And the third one is the very wide CPR, means it is a range bound or consolidation. And the fourth one is the very narrow CPR, means it will be a trending day or it will happen a breakout. साइडवेज वाइड सीपीआर होता है तो साइडवेज होगा। पहला वाला सीपीआर वाइड, ये दिखा रहा है कि वाइड है तो ये साइडवेज होगा। एंड सेकंड वाला समव्हाट नैरो, नॉट वेरी नैरो, समव्हाट नैरो, ये होगा तो ट्रेंडिंग ने दिखाएगा। थर्ड वन इज द वेरी वाइड, मतलब बहुत चौड़ी है ये सीपीआर, इट मींस इट विल बी ए कंसोलिडेशन एंड साइडवेज डेज। प्राइस एक रेंज में रहेगा, हर टाइम एक रेंज में रहेगा। फोर्थ वन इज द very wide, very narrow. Very narrow means it will be happen a breakout. Trending day is happen and it will give a breakout. We'll see detail in the chart. हम next chart में देखेंगे ये कैसा काम कर रहा है। This is the 5-minute chart of Nifty. We are seeing the 1st December chart. In 1st December chart, you see the CPR is very narrow. The CPR is very narrow compared to the previous day. Previous day is the wide CPR and the previous day was the 27th November. It is a wide CPR and current day means the 1st December CPR is a narrow CPR. You will always left the first candle, first 5-minute candle. See, it is a narrow CPR. See the trend, it is a uptrend. ये narrow CPR है तो आप हर टाइम पहला 5-मिनट कैंडल में कोई ट्रेड नहीं लेना है। ये बहुत वोलेटाइल रहता है, ये कहाँ मूव होगा कुछ पता नहीं चलता। सेकेंड कैंडल इट्स क्लोज above the CPR and it is a very off move. See the trend here, it's going up and up. See how it is going up. This move to this extent. Okay, is the trending day, means when you will see the narrow CPR it will be a trending day. नेहरू सीपीआर जब आपको मिलता है तो ये ट्रेंडिंग डे होने का चांस 60 to 70% रहता है। यू विल वेट फॉर दैट एंड ऑल्सो यू हैव टू वेट फॉर द व्हेन योर एंट्री शुड बी द प्रीवियस डे। it will when break the previous day high, means where is the previous day high? Here is the previous day high. Okay, when it will break then your entry should be here. Okay, where will be your entry? It break the previous day high means price move to next extent, it will move to this extent. When it is close you see, so you move to this extent, it will give you the very good profit. Okay, this is the narrow CPR and when you now will see for wide CPR. wide CPR में प्राइस रेंज बाउंड रहता है। देखो ये वाइड CPR, ये इट इज ए गुड एग्जांपल ऑफ वाइड CPR, बहुत बड़ा वाइड CPR है। इसमें प्राइस एक रेंज में रहा, प्राइस यहां तक मूव किया, फिर यहां गया, फिर प्राइस नीचे आया, फिर इधर ऊपर, फिर नीचे, this, like this price in a range, or okay, एक रेंज में है, फिर ऊपर, फिर नीचे, this is the range bound. This is consolidation or range bound or sideways days if the CPR is very wide. Okay, this is the CPR, narrow CPR or wide CPR. Remember one thing, in central pivot range is divided by using the period days high low. सेंट्रल पिवट रेंज कहां से डिराइव होता है? प्रीवियस डे हाई से, लो से और क्लोज से. इफ द मार्केट ब्रेक्स free from the period day's price range, a trend day could be seen on this day. Price open the day within the period day's price range, which means you must wait for a violation of the period day's range before entering trade. This means I have already said in this chart, if it is a narrow, then when it is break the previous day high, previous day high को break करता है तो it will go move up and up. Okay guys, this is the narrow and wide CPR, about the all about the narrow and wide CPR. I think you will be understand. If you have any doubt, please comment in the section, write in the comment section. I will give you the understanding. Okay, please guys subscribe to my channel for more videos of like this type of more videos and more about the CPR strategy, CPR, when to entry, in which scenario you have to enter. Please subscribe to my channel and like and share the videos. Thank you guys. Bye.